We have a very unusual question. What is state and explain what will happen if MPC is greater than 1 in simple Keynesian model. Okay. So this MPC represents the fraction of the additional income which allocate towards investment. Extra income towards investment. Okay. So aggregate demand if we take with respect to MPC becoming higher, a larger portion of the additional income earned by the households will be spent on consumption. So consumption will increase. As a result of that, aggregate demand tends to be higher. So AD will be higher. This is the first part. Second part, Q, output and employment. So in this case, the increase in the aggregate demand due to higher consumption expenditure stimulates production and economic activity. So production and all the economic activity increases. People are having a little bit more money. So firm respond to this increased demand by producing more goods and services, leading to an expansion of the employment. The employment and production both. What is the multiplier effect we have? The multiplier effect in SKM changes in the autonomous spending. Okay, autonomous part C equal to A plus B. This is the autonomous part. Lead to a larger in the aggregate output through the multiplier effect. So when MPC is more than 1, okay, so higher propensity to consume results in larger multiplier effect. Multiplier effect is what? So whenever you have an effect on something, so how much it is having a change on the other. So is it multiplier? It can be a fraction. Okay, so it may, multiplier effect doesn't always means it is increasing. It may be reducing also. So additional round of increased production and income. So higher production, higher income as well. So this further reinforces the expansionary impact of the output and employment. Fourth part is investment. Despite of the lower propensity to invest, increased consumption as C is increasing, resulting to a higher output, Q is higher and income level is also higher. So as a result of that, investment will also be higher. So this is the